So some of you may be wondering, what happens when you mix this, a flaming ball of napalm, with this, a paint can with some excess paint in it? Well, here at the Redneck Fantasy Factory, we're about to find out.
Today on Redneck Fantasy Factory.
We're rolling on the ground. Alright, last time we had some shit that went on that we wish we would have kept the camera on, so now we're keeping the camera rolling.
Just shoot the motherfucker.
Dude, they're rolling on the ground. Alright, last time we had some shit that went on that we wish we would have kept the camera on, so now we're keeping the camera rolling. This is the paint can. Still on fire. We're gonna kick that in the gravel now. Okay. Now we're gonna put the cardboard out that was lit on fucking fire.
Just flip it upside down.
Yeah, I am.
Where's the napalm?
Right there.
It's still burning!
No shit, it's napalm, dude. That's some sticky ass shit. Oh, I got it out now. Alright. Yeah, I burnt my fingers last time. But yeah. Fun shit we do here at the Redneck Fantasy Factory. We got Chris and Brenda.
Fuck you.
Yep, and it's fucking Redneck Fantasy Factory. If you guys like this video, please leave a comment down below of future ideas that you guys wish to see on Redneck Fantasy Factory. Leave a like in this section and also subscribe to our channel. Tell your friends about us. Thanks.